Oh,
Hello?
hello, brother.
Hello?
Where are you from, my brother?
Ha?
Where are you
Wa-
from?
Palawan, brother.
Philippines.
Philippines.
Okay. What are you doing, my brother?
Tattoo.
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 Okay.
And tattoos.
You are so very artistic, my brother.
Yeah, very artist.
Okay.
Oh. You like a tattoo?
Yes, I like my brother.
Oh. Where
Thank
the
you so
from?
much.
Where the
I'm
from?
from Pakistan. I,
Pakistan.
you
Assalamualaikum.
you are Walaikum salam, my brother. My brother, you
Walaikum
are in
salam.
the Philippines?
Yeah, Philippines. I'm Mindanao.
Ah, you are in
Sulu.
Mindanao. Are you Islam, my brother?
Sulu. Yeah, Islam.
Pure Islam.
Ang maina, ang tausog.
Me, brother, Tautog.
Tautog. Oh, nice,
Tautog,
nice.
Tautog. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Me, Tautog. You are
Ah,
Tausog, my brother.
tausog.
Okay. Me, Tautog, brother.
Oh, tautog.
We are the same, my brother. Right?
Mari, yung face yung Filipino.
Ngisi ng ngisi si kuya eh.
Yung face yung Filipino. Face na.
Ay, si may pagtatato mo kuya, baka
Nangiti na nga siya, sobrang saya niya.
ano pa.
Oh,
Tausog ka? Tautog
Oo.
ako eh.
tau- baka pala utog.
Baka kayo yon. Lalo na yung tinatatuan, no?
Oh,
Parang katatapos lang eh. Pagod na pagod ang mukha eh. Oh.
oh. Nakangiti yan siya, sobrang saya niya. Masakit daw, masakit pa sa breakup.
Agay. Hi, Marilyn Sharak. But your face in Filipino. Your face in Filipino.
Tingnan mo. Sana marami nanonood. Sa akin, isa wala nanonood. Kasi pangit siya ng mukha eh.
Taste lang, ganyan talaga.